So what has been your single biggest mistake you've made, either investing in a company or deciding to walk away from investing?
You know, we spent an enormous amount of time looking at MasterCard before it went public. And I've always believed that, you know, I'd said previously, I was asked by, you know, at a business school by a student, what's the single best business in the world? And I said, if you could own a royalty on people spending money, like Visa or MasterCard, it's the greatest business in the world. And if that ever became a public company, you want to buy that company, or if you ever could buy that company. Well, it became a public company, and we did an enormous amount of work in the company. We couldn't get comfortable with the regulatory risk. You know,
Consumer Protection Agency, things
no, there
like that.
There was outstanding kind of antitrust litigation relating to kind of monopolistic practices of the Visa MasterCard. And you know, when you have a strategy where you put 10, 15+% of your assets in any one investment, you can't take even a very small risk of a catastrophic outcome.
Wow, interesting.
And so we passed on MasterCard, and it's been an incredible investment management's done an amazing job. That's a big miss.
Yeah.
On the long, well,
but it's
either,
very interesting.
It's either
that one.
The question is whether it's a miss.
Right.
Did we overestimate the regulatory risk, or did it just work out in a reasonable way? So I think, you know, as part of a 50 stock portfolio, we would have bought it. As part of a 10 stock portfolio, we couldn't do it. So unclear to me, but I still look at that one and say, do we really have a miss there?